Hello everyone and welcome to the complete ESP32 course. My name is Deepak Kumawat and I'm really excited to guide you through one of the most powerful and popular microcontrollers out there used in electronics, robotics and IoT projects, the ESP32. In this course, we will start from very basics, so even if you have never worked with ESP32 before, you can easily follow along with it. We will learn what is ESP32, why it is so popular and how it differs from other microcontrollers like Arduino Uno. Throughout this course, you will also learn how to set up the ESP32 development environment, write and upload the programs, how you can develop the programs, work with digital and analog inputs and outputs, control LEDs, motors and sensors, and build practical projects step by step. We will also explore some of the most exciting features on ESP32 such as built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. Using these features, you will be able to learn how to create IoT applications, web servers, wireless communication systems, and smart automation projects. By the end of this course, you will have the knowledge and confidence to design your own ESP32 based projects and may take your embedded systems and IoT skills to the next level. So, whether you are a student, hobbyist, maker, or aspiring engineer, this course is designed to help you learn ESP32 in a simple, practical, and project based way. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Let's get started and unlock the full potential of our ESP32. So, see you in the next video and goodbye.